Two former cops are set to face charges in relation to the Lopez-Cohen slay case. The police named former patrolman Michael Giang as the alleged mastermind. He allegedly worked with another former cop, Romel Abuso, to kill the victims. According to authorities, their motive was rooted in a land dispute. Giang had allegedly pawned a piece of land to Lopez, who refused to return it.
Ang nakikita natin dito, yung dalawang dating pulis ang nagplano nito at yun ang isa sa pinagtutuunan namin ng sentro ng aming investigasyon. Siya ang main suspect at si Abuso being kabady niya dahil silang dalawa ang bumaril dito sa ating mga victims.
Di ba kaya nila nalaman yung kung saan nilibing itong dalawang victim na to, si Geneva Lopez at saka si Cohen, ay dahil mayroong ang key witness, yung kasama mismo dun sa pagpapalibing, sunog nung sasakyan. I was wondering, ibibigay kaya sa kanya yung yung reward? Kasi di ba he came after yung nagsabi sila na magkakaroon ng reward money.
Alam ko, supposedly, if he's part of the case, if he's part of the people, in the crime, the act of the crime, and he was the least guilty at nang sumbong siya, wala siyang dapat claim sa reward. Ang reward money is those who are not part of the crime and have witnessed what has happened. And the money is supposed to encourage you to move, to step forward and to tell the truth para mawala lahat ng takot mo. Ito yung pera. Ang alam ko, ganun ang premise dapat ng pagtatanggap ng reward money. Pero
syempre, I'm just asking this because there are a lot of, anong tawag dito, yung mga usap-usapan. Diba, nasabi nila, porket naglabas ng, although we are glad nga na nare-resolve nga itong issue na to or yung itong kaso na to, step by step, ay sinasabi nila parang mas dumali because merong naglabas ng reward money.
Totoo naman. I mean, that helps. Reward money really helps because there's a lot to lose if you witness the crime. Basta lang, kunyari, you witnessed it and there's threat to your life. Diba?
And your family.
And your family. You need a form of encouragement to come out in the open and put yourself at risk. What will it gain me in return? Although you have to do your civic duty, diba? Na to make sure na, to tell the truth. But then, of course, human nature is survival. I need to survive. What will it benefit me? So,
saka makikita mo din sa mas malawak na perspective doon naman sa hanay ng mga pulis. Kasi these two are former cops.
Yeah.
Cops,
dismissed.
Diba? Dismissed na sila and yet they still possess firearms. And in fact, sila, kakasuhan din sila ng illegal possession of firearms. Diba? So ano ba yung dapat gawin ng PNP when it comes to this? Diba? Doon sa mga, madali lang kapag nasa hanay pa ng pulisya Pero pag outside na, pag dismiss na, diba?
Wala na sa jurisdiction nila to. Dismiss na
Oo nga
Oo.